18 certified hit albums, 18 chart-topping songs, 8 times platinum record, multi-awarded and multi-talented performer. After all the hits and awards, may bago na naman tayong aabangan linggo-linggo mula sa nag-iisang Queen of Soul. A special concert performance featuring different Pinoy music artists. Get a taste of her soulful renditions together with Maestro Raul Mitra. Featuring hunky rapper Jimmy Muna. Here's the Soul Diva, Jaya.
Everybody, it's time to listen up. Yo, Jimmy Muna in the cut, saying what's up. Yo, telling you right now, I figure out we getting it down. Yo, Jagger singing.
Weren't you the one that said that you don't want me anymore?
Nah, girl.
And how you need your space and give the keys back to your door.
What?
And how I cried and tried and tried to make you stay with me, but still you said that love was gone and that I had
Come on, what?
Talking about a family.
Yeah, I was.
Saying I complete your dream.
Come on,
yeah. Saying I'm your everything.
Yeah,
You're
give me.
confusing me.
Yeah, give me.
Don't play with me. Don't play with
More
me.
chance.
What goes around must come up. What goes up must come down. Now, who's crying? These are red.
Yo, what am I at, baby girl?
What goes around comes around. What goes up must come down. Now, who's crying? These are red to come back.
I remember when I was sitting home alone, waiting for you till 3 o'clock in the morning.
And when you came home, you'd always have some sorry excuse.
Yo, I'm sorry.
And explaining to me like I'm just some kind of a fool.
Nah.
I sacrifice the things I want to do, the things for you.
Yeah.
But when it's time to do for me, you never come through. You wanna be a part of me.
I do, baby girl, come on.
That's so what you say to me.
Yo, I do.
Hey, got the one time for me. Oh, what you took for me. You're confusing me. Don't blame
Yeah,
me.
come
Don't
on,
blame
you know
me.
it's you.
What goes around comes around. What goes up
Must go down.
now? Who's crying?
I am.
Deserving to come back to me. Oh, hey.
Yeah, come on, baby.
Who's crying?
Yeah,
Deserving to
coming
come
back, yeah.
back.
Said I remember when you were sitting home alone, waiting for me till 3 o'clock in the morning, night after night. Know what's something going on, but I wasn't hungry, yo, I was wrong.
No, it wasn't easy, believe me. Never want to be the one to be deceived. You never know what you're supposed to do. No need to host me for, cause I'm on.
Yeah, yeah. Come down.
Now who's crying?
Yeah, give me one more chance, girl.
What goes up must come down.
Come on.
Who's crying?
Yeah, give it to me one more. Now give me one more chance. So give me one more chance.
Goes around, goes around. What goes up must
I know.
Who's crying?
I am.
To come back to
Tell
me.
me.
Jimmy Muna, Raul Mitra.
Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Raul.
Yeah!
And thank you, Jaya.
Galing, galing naman. Astig, Jimmy Muna, Jaya. Kaya naman Queen of Soul yan. Hindi naman tatawagin Queen of Soul yan kung ganyan.
That's
Kung
right.
hindi ganyan.
That's right.
Wala silang ganyan.
That's right. Yun lang alam ko, that's right.
Matindi, matindi.
Alright. Pare, pakilala natin yung ating mga kasama.
Mauna ka na muna.
Mga dalaga.
Ayan.
Unahin na muna natin
Yes.
si Miss Lovie Po.
Hello!
Lovie, congratulations because yung movie mong Sagrada Familia.
Sagrada Familia.
Rated A, pare. Rated A.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would like to invite everybody to watch Sagrada Familia, directed by Mr. Joel Lamangan, starring Miss Snooki Serna, Emilio Garcia, and Tita Gloria and Felix Rocco. Graded A by the CEB opens on January 20 and premiere night tonight at 7 p.m. SM Mega Mall Cinema 6. See you guys there.
Congratulations, Lovey, ha?
Balita ko, medyo nagpa-sexy si Lovey doon.
Oo nga. Bakit ka ba ngayon nagmamag-sexy, Miss
So, okay,
Love?
nagmamature.
Mamaya ba nasa... Ano no?
Nagmamature na daw siya.
Nasa Central ka ba mamaya? Laman din ng mga balita ito eh.
O, ano na naman?
Gusto ko na lang mag-hi sa mga friends ko na nasa Cebu ngayon. Hello.
Okay. Of course, kasama natin ang pinipilit pantayan ng napakarami pero hindi
Ngunit
nila
hindi.
kaya. Wag nyo nang
Huwag nyo nang subukan.
Miss Cool, Ledesma.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here at SOP.
It's our pleasure, Miss
I want to invite everybody to my Valentine's show with Jo Marie Iliana and Christopher De Leon. It's called Forever Love. Kasi lahat tayo naghahanap ng Forever Love, diba? And that's gonna be on February 12 and 14 at the Mandarin Hotel. So don't forget, just call Music Museum. Hindi po sa Music Museum, sa Mandarin Hotel's Captain's Bar.
Captain's Bar.
Yes.
Ganda dun.
721-0635 and 721-6726. Forever Love. Come and make it, okay?
Jo Marie.
Jo
Iliana.
Marie Chan.
Iliana.
Jo Marie Iliana.
Jo Marie
Jo Marie Iliana and Christopher De Leon.
Ikaw talaga kapatid, ah.
Yung mga kaedad ko baga.
Pasing-sing ka na ngayon, kapatid,
Completely.
Oh
ano yung
yeah,
completely?
ang ganda-ganda ng boss Jo Marie.
Oo naman.
Completely.
Completely. Yes, I'm going to sing that with Christopher De Leon. That's from our movie Tinimbangan Lang.
Alam mo bang favorite ko yung pelikula
Talaga?
Completely.
My gosh.
Complete? Oo. Ano yan? Recording
gusto ko na nga,
star
wag
siya
ipalabas yan kasi...
Tama ba? Recording star ka. Tapos si
Yes.
Christopher yung parang songwriter. Parang
Napanood
yan,
ko din yun.
Ganda nun.
Hindi pa ako marunong humalik nun. Wala pa kasi akong practice. Totoo yun.
Pare, kami ni Miss Regine Velasquez,
Yes.
meron din kaming concert sa Feb 12 sa Panglao Island.
Wow,
Ayan.
sarap naman.
Layo lang. Punta sana kami dyan.
Uba, it's a beautiful, beautiful place at the Verdant Pavilion of Panglao Island Nature Resort and Spa, Bohol. Feb 12. So get your tickets now. Right now, for inquiries, call 038412-39624 and 0920-950-5258. And then, before we do that, we'll be in Qatar at the Sports Club Doha. Doha, did you like that, Doha? Songbird and the Songwriter at Feb 4, 8 p.m. And then in Dubai, Feb 5, 8 p.m. at the Zabil Park.
Alam niyo, pinagloloko niyo kami. Naghahanimon lang kayong dalawa eh. Kunyari, may mga show.
I just wanna say hello to Maring Regina. Get well soon.
Yes, pagaling ka.
Pare, yun meron kang Feb 4, Feb 12. Ako naman, Feb 6. Nagse-celebrate ng yung school ko, Lourdes School Mandaluyong. Lourdes School Mandaluyong, nagse-celebrate ng 50th. 50th anniversary, pare. 50 sa Manda.
Alam mo, matapos ka na ba?
Ayun lang.
Mabuti nabanggit mo yun kasi kami rin. Mga nasa lista, Feb 6.
Yeah, pareho tayo. Feb 6.
Doon naman tayo sa Lasal Green Hills. Pumunta tayo doon, 50th, ending po ng celebration natin.
Pareho bang 50th?
Anniversary.
Okay,
50th.
congrats sa inyo.
Kami 25 years. Ashamed.
50th year kami. 50 sa Manda. Okay, I'd like to thank